Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you? I wish you are fine. Our lesson today will complete the past simple contract. The second tense is the past continuous. Lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to learn about past continuous meaning and structure, using when and while with the present continuous. Practice past continuous tense. How do we form the verb to be in the past? Are you remember? We use was with I, you, were, he, she, it take was, we and they take were. When do we use the past continuous? Now, can you look to the timeline? It starts with the past, present, future. The past action meaning the action that happened in the past, completed action. And the present action meaning now, at the moment of speaking. And the future action, the action that will happen in the future. Now, look at the timeline again. In the present, the person who talk about the action that happened in the past. I was watching TV at 10 p.m. yesterday. This describes an event of duration in the past. It talks about what we were doing at a particular time in the past. Look at the particular time at 10 p.m. yesterday. This meaning we use the past continuous to talk about action that happened at a particular time in the past. Look at this example. What were you doing at 7 o'clock this morning? Look at the answer. I was having a breakfast. I was sleeping. I was getting dressed. I was watching TV. Yesterday. Yesterday, this is the past. I was listening to music. My mother was making dinner. My father was reading a book. My brother were watching a movie. All of these actions happened in the past. The form. How can we form the past continuous? I was speaking on the phone. We were swimming in the river. Look at the structure. I, he, she, it. You, we, they, and ing form. Yes, we use was, and the verb was ing with I, he, she, it. And we use were with verb ing with you, we, and they. Now, look at the formation of the past continuous. Affirmative, negative, interrogative. Interrogative here meaning question. In affirmative sentence, we use I was playing. To change into negative, only we will add not. I was not playing. Or we can say I wasn't playing. Interrogative, was I play? What about you? You take where? You were playing. You were not playing. And were you playing? Look at the other examples. Now, complete the following sentences. You studying when she called. She playing basketball last week. They singing together. Excellent work. You were studying. She was playing. And they were singing. Now stop the video, complete the following sentences, then check your answers. Okay, let's start. Check your answers. Now, let's learn past continuous versus simple past. Look at the timeline. We said before the past continuous action that happened at a particular time in the past. Look at the example. I was watching TV when my sister knocked on the door. In this sentence, we have two verbs, watching TV and knock on the door. Look at the long action. The long action is watching TV, and the short action is knock. So, the long action will be past continuous, and the short action will be past simple. Now, let's complete the sentences. While I sleep, the phone ring. Who can do it? Where is the long action and where is the short action? The long action will be past continuous and the short action will be past simple. Which one is longer than the other? Sleep or telephone ring? Excellent. While I was sleeping, the phone rang. When Sam, we a drink. We have two verbs. We have arrive and have. Perfect. When Sam arrived, we were having a dinner. She a pizza when I home from work. Use the verb make and get. Excellent. She was making pizza when I perfect got home from work. When I the door they talking open and stop. Use it. When I opened the door, they stopped talking. We use here two verbs, both of them the past simple. We don't use the past continuous because we don't know which one is longer than the other. Which one is longer? Stop or open? We don't know. So we should use the past simple with the two verbs. When we dinner. When Anne arrived, we had dinner. She was working in a shop when I last saw her. as. Also, we can use as instead of when and while. As he away, I him pack his case. Use the verb go and help. Good job. As he was going away, I helped. Perfect.